All right, Moto Talk. Well, it's been 3 weeks since we got our first Triumph video about the chassis. And it's been a week since we got our second Triumph video about the engine, but not really about the engine. And it had been crickets this last week. They didn't say in the last video when the update was coming. I was starting to wonder what was going on. We did hear from Ricky Carmichael today in a Triumph Fox Racing gear set from the Triumph training facility, but it was nothing to do with the Triumph dirt bike. Let's watch it.
Hey guys, Ricky Carmichael here, 15-time SMX champion and 5-time Daytona Supercross champion. Excited to announce I'm the honorary pace car driver this weekend, leading the guys to green for the Coke Zero Sugar 400. I love Daytona. The place is epic.
Yeah, that's great. It just blows my mind that he would make a video like that from the Triumph training facility with the Triumph logo on and not say a thing about the dirt bike in the last week. So just when I had lost hope, I just saw this come out. I don't know if this is from Instagram or what, but it looks like a story. Says it's got the sign at the Triumph Racing facility, and it says today was a fun day. Can't wait to show you on September 5th. So it looks like our next announcement from Triumph is coming on September 5th. So I'll be here anxiously waiting this update. I'll update you guys as soon as it happens.